I was at the ARC thrift store here, and they had the strongest fragrance. I even asked the cashier, is it just me, or is it like really fragrant in here? And apparently they just changed the store fragrance. I didn't even know that was a thing. But I couldn't last in there very long. I kept sneezing, so spent about $22, got quite a few awesome picks. Okay, five things. I got 5 things, but they were good, and I'm excited. Now I'm gonna head over to the Goodwill, and hopefully I can stop sneezing, because that was pretty awful in there. But I'm gonna head to the Goodwill next. Let's go.